how to fix TikTok text to speech not working. So if you open up your TikTok now, if you choose a video and if you try to add a text, and after that simply tap on that and you will have an option which says text to speech. So tap on that. So if this is not working on your TikTok, then all you have to do is open up your settings, and under settings tap on apps and notifications, and here tap on TikTok. Go and search for TikTok and tap on TikTok. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have TikTok, and then you will have a bunch of options. Tap on storage and cache, and here you will have clear cache. Tap on that and clear all of your cache. And after that, what you can do is, if this still doesn't fix your issue, then open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar search for TikTok. And if you have an update, then tap on update. So by updating you can fix that issue. So if this still doesn't fix your issue, then you can restart your phone, or you can simply uninstall your TikTok app and you can install it again, and then you can fix that issue. So these were the few steps through which you can fix your TikTok text to speech not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.